Don't do that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is, hindi ko na alam kung anong araw today. Thursday? Yeah, today is Thursday. And agay! Tapos nandito kami sa labas ng aming bahay guys. And it's snowing again for the second time. See, everything is white. It's so pretty. This is pretty. That one, not so sure. Anyway, first time actually namin lumabas dito na naka-snow. And kasi nag-snow na last week pero hindi kami lumabas kasi busy-busy sa mga pinagagawa namin. And then now we're here. It's so pretty. Sabi ko, we have to go outside because everybody's taking pictures and videos of the snow. And wala ako. Kailangan ko mag-pass ng entry. Nag-entry. So, yon. So, what can you say, Dong, of the weather? Do you like walking here?
If I was alone, I would enjoy it more. But when you're here, I already got a camera in my face and it's not enjoyable.
Duh, you love the camera. You love it.
No,
You haven't
the
said.
camera loved me. That's the difference.
You haven't said, "Oh, I'm the star. I'm the star of your vlog."
Give me the camera. To me, I will.
Oh, my problem.
Just to be honest, we're back here and again, and you can see there's a lot of snow in the back. We got that last night. But what you do is like this. You see the little midget in the back, but then you just do like this, and you see, oh, it's spring in the back.
You're so bad.
Oh, it's spring here. The spring was just a little amount of snow we got last night. Just a little amount of snow. So you see under the pines here. Oh, the snow didn't reach it. It's green. It's green.
Yeah, it's actually weird.
No.
In here it's nothing, and in there it's white.
Nothing weird about it. It was blowing a lot, of course. The trees just cover the ground because it's pine trees. Yeah, so that's the girl everybody was looking for.
You cannot see what I do. There's people at the back.
Yeah, there's people in the back, but as if you care, right? We don't care about other people in the back. Why should we do that? This is our park, and this is our house in the back there. Actually, it's not our park, it's not our house, it's just an apartment we rent because we are poor people. That's the way it is. Anyway, we're going for this walk because my wife is just keep on bugging me. Go for a walk with me. The first snow is here. We gotta go take snow pictures like everybody else does. So come on, Em, let's do the snow pictures. Let's do the snow pictures. Where is the snow now? Oh, now she's shy. Okay. So, the shy girl, how is it going? How is it going? You can run, but you cannot hide. Oh.
I cannot actually see so far.
Okay, Sim, come get your camera.
Give me this.
No, I just want you closer to annoy you. Really? Oh, really? No, tell me. No. Come here, oi, Em, come on here. No, okay. So, that's the way. Okay. So, anyway, welcome to our vlog. It's See, why did you run? Oh, Em, let's go to the other side. Actually, look at the big hill there. That's actually a big hill, huh?
No, that's not a hill.
Oh yeah. Okay.
No, where was that when you were walking?
Anyway.
Where there was like the big. What was that? Like the big house where we can. That's not the place, right? It goes on that side there.
I don't know.
People develop. Stop now. Stop now, Martin. They were like laughing so much on you.
We're making a vlog. YouTube content.
Stop now. Really, you're so fucking up now.
She's getting shy. Are you shy now, Em?
No, I'm not.
Did we take pictures enough? Now can we go home? What are you doing?
Fucking hell me.
What are you
Why are
doing?
you buying so cheap socks also that it falls down? Okay, now
Thank you.
it's done.
Also another one. Oh, I'm just joking.
I'm shy now.
She's shy. This is a shy girl. This is the look of a shy guy. Your nose is actually turning red. Let me see here.
Because I'm Stisa then.
No, stop. So
Take a
everybody
picture of me.
can see your red nose.
Take a picture of me.
Okay, can you take a picture while doing this?
No, just here. I don't know.
I think you can. Yeah, you can actually take a,
You can.
even that you're videoing.
Okay, then yeah. Well, you can see the whole view. Pretty?
Yeah.
Look
So-
much prettier.
This one is our Suhus.
Yeah, meaning?
I think the police own it, so they're using it for conferences.
So it's like a public thing?
If you're police, yeah.
Oh,
So,
okay. So it's like a public
but anyway, I'm done walking with this camera. I'm tired of it.
Make like a slow ganyan. But
Oh, I gotta make it slow. I mean, it's recording.
don't.
I think you will hold on to that camera.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Ay! Martin, if it go here, you gotta pay me.
See, move the camera, I will throw it to your face.
No. That's exactly why I'm holding it, because I don't want you to throw it on
Move
my
the
face.
camera away.
Stop.
You come from outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth, and I'm not leaving while you're breathing. I won't run away.
Halfway down,
It is.
and then you put it all the way down. You're recording yesterday.
Don't.